Good morning, student. Today, discuss chapter 4, length, weight, capacity, time and money. Okay, student. This chapter, first question is: a train left Mumbai at 10:30 a.m. and reachable Bangalore at 6:05 p.m. on the same day. How long did it take reach Bangalore? Okay, just student, this is a 10:30. Okay, 10:30 start and last time is 6:05 p.m. So just you subtract and answer is 7 hour 35 centimeter. Just subtract. So in simple subtract, answer is 7 hour 35 minute. Okay, answer is question number B. Answer is correct. Okay, student. Next question number 2. Raghav has a ribbon length 5 meter. He cut into the equal piece for 25 students. What is the length of ribbon each student will get? Okay, student. Total ribbon is 5 meter. 5 meter means you convert in centimeter. Okay, 5 meter is equal to 5 into 100. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 5 into 100 is equal to 500 centimeter. Okay, 500 centimeter total ribbon. Cut the piece is 25 student. Distribute. So 500 divided by 25 is equal to 20. So answer is 20 centimeter. First number answer. 500 divided by 25 is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, student. How many, number next question, how many 500 gram sugar packet are required to make 4 kg? Okay, student, first you convert 4 kg. 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kg is equal to 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000 gram. Next you divide 4000 divided by 500. So answer is 8. Okay, A number 8. A number answer. Okay, repeat again. 1 kg is equal to 1000. 4 kg is equal to 4 into 1000 is equal to 4000. Next divide 4000 divided by 500 is equal to 8. Okay, student, 8 packet. Okay, next question. A cost of a 1 kg grapes is rupees 80. Then what is the cost of rupees 250 gram grapes? So student, so 1 kg grapes is rupees 80. What is the cost of 25 gram grapes? Okay, so you first you convert 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 80 by 1000 multiply 250 is equal to 20 rupees. Question number answer is 20 rupees. Okay, the answer is A. A number answer. Sorry, A number, not A, not B. The answer is B number answer. 20 rupees. Okay, 4 number is complete. Next 5 number. The weight of the each of the 6 identical calves is, just you watch the picture, see the picture. Okay, and answer is number A, 250 gram. Okay. Next I discuss question number 6. Look at the picture in one bottle, 1000 milliliter. Okay, is equal to which milliliter? Both are same. Is it 200, 200, 200, 200, 200, is it 600, 250, 250, 250, 250 means this means 1000. Okay, the answer is, correct answer is B number. Correct answer is B number is correct answer. You got 250, 250, 250, 250 milliliter equal to result is 1000 milliliter. Okay student. Next I discuss question number 7. Weight of apple is dash gram. Okay, first look at the picture, see, look the which gram. First you look at the picture, first you 18 kg and next 9 kg. So answer is 2 kg. Once again, okay student, repeat again. This is weight of the apple is dash gram. There is a 22 gram. Okay, just you see and add 18 divided by 9 is equal to 2 kg 2 gram, and you convert 22 gram. Number 8 number question. 8 number is, you see how much does one picture cost. First you add both the number. Okay, first you see the two number. This is 24, this is ice cream 24. Okay, so 24 plus 24 means 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. Okay, next you saw difference, this number, subtract. So result is 8 number answer, result is A number answer. This is a 44 rupees 44. Okay, next 9 number. 9 number is Radha has rupees 466. How many maximum pencil of rupees 8 each can she buy? Okay, you just divide 456 divide by 8. Okay, so answer is answer is 58 1 by 4. Answer C number answer 59. Okay, once again 58. Just divide. Our answer is 58. Okay. Next question number 10. Atul sold 6 shirts for rupees 145 each, and with the amount of the brought 2 bags each of the same cost. Find the price of a bag. Okay. First you multiply 145 multiply 6 is equal to 870 divided by 2 is equal to 435. Answer is 435. Okay student, 10 numbers complete. Next I discuss question number 11. If Sumar went to pour whole water from jug into the glass of 400 milliliter capacity, then how many glasses will be need? Okay student, just you divide. Okay, this is a 3 liter 200 milliliter. See the picture. Okay, 3 liter 200 milliliter. You convert the milliliter. That means 3 into 1000 is equal to 3000 milliliter plus 200 is equal to 3200 milliliter. Divide by 4 milliliter. Okay, is equal to answer is 8. 320 3200 divided by 400 is equal to 8. So answer is question number B. Question number B. Okay. Next I discuss question number 12. First see the picture. Some question is there. Some a famous hotel given below. Okay, some hotel items and cost and okay. First you see the question is, if Sonia brought to shop 2 coffee and 1 tea, then how much amount she was to pay? Okay students, just you multiply 2 into cost is shop is 30, cost 30 into 2 is equal to 60. Okay, and 3 copy, 3 into copy price 3, so 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Okay, and 1 tea cost 2 rupees plus 2, both are add 60 plus 9 plus 2 is equal to answer is 71. So answer is D number 71. Clear? Next question number 13. Rohan gave a party of 2 of his friend. He brought 2 packet chips, 1 pizza, 2 cutlet and 3 juice. How much he will pay? Student, just say very simple. Just you multiply and add. Just you cost, first cost is 2 packet chips. You see the box, chart box. Okay, this is chip packet is 10 rupees. 2 chip packet. So 10 plus 10 into 2 is equal to 20. Okay. Next 20 and 1 pizza. 1 pizza cost rupees. 1 pizza cost is 70. Okay, and 2 cutlet. 2 cutlet cost rupees. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. And 3 juices. Juices price is 10. 10 into 3 is equal to 30. All number is add. Total answer is 140. 144. So answer is C number answer. 144. So is the correct answer. Okay student. Next question number 14. Each item stand for a different value. The sum of each of the column given. Okay, what is the value of this picture? Show the picture. See the picture. Answer is just 54 by 3, just 3, so 18. So answer is 160. One second, 100. D number 45. Sorry, 45. Answer is 45. Okay. Next is question number 15. Doctor avoid Arman to take 3 milliliter advice. Sorry, doctor advised Arman to take 3 milliliter of catch syrup 2 times a day. Syrup, okay, a day for 4 days. How much cough syrup will Arman use to 4 days? Okay, just simple student. 2 into 3 is equal to 6 milliliter. 1. Okay, next 4 into 4 is equal to 24. So answer is 24 milliliter. Very simple. Just multiply. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 6 into 4 is equal to 24 milliliter. Clear? Next I discuss question number 16. 14 equal 14 equals of rice weight 358 kg 750 gram. How much does each bag weight? Okay, just you student, you first convert your kg to gram and divide equal 14. Okay, just divide. So answer is 25 kg 625 grams. Answer is question number B. Answer is question number B. Answer is correct. So right. Okay. Next question number C. Please look at the picture. Okay. Nitesh went to mark of birthday on the given calendar. He knew that his birthday is 6th day before the Thanksgiving day, which is on the 14th Thursday of November 20. Okay, look at the calendar. Okay, give me the answer. Okay, use the calendar above the on which day and date it is birthday. So answer is B number B, Friday November 16. Question number answer B, Friday November 16. Next question number 18. Minnie took 14 meter 8 seconds to walk in from the home to school. On her way back home, she took another round and reached home in 12 minutes 44 seconds. How much time did she have saved the take scooter round? Okay, scooter round. So answer is 18 number answer is C number 1 minute 24 seconds. Okay. Next question number 19. What is the weight of triangle? Okay, 19 number question. Answer is 22 kgs. Sorry, 22 gram. Kg. Sorry, 22 kg. B number answer. That is correct. Okay. Next question number 20. Which of the following option incorrect? Okay. You see the number is incorrect is 3 liter 15 milliliter. C number answer is incorrect. Okay. Next I discuss question number 21. Purvi travels 45 km 750 meter on Friday, 52 km 435 meter on Sunday and 67 km 864 meter on Sunday from her home. From repeat again his question. Purvi travels 45 km 750 meter on Friday, 52 km 435 meter on Saturday and 47 km 864 meter on Sunday from her home and reach her grandparents' home. How far the Purvi grandparents' home from her home? Okay, this is student. This is very simple. Just add 45 km 750 meter plus 52 km 435 meter plus 67 km 864 meter. Just add both will add. The answer is question number A 166 km 49 meter. Okay, question number A answer is correct. Okay student, next I discuss question number 22. Okay, 22 second. I repeat again, a boiler contains 30 liter of milk. A milk dealer empty in equal into the 6 corner. Okay, each corner sold dash milk. Just divide. Okay, number 24, just divide 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5 liter. Answer is 5 liter. A number answer. Okay, number A answer 5 liter. Okay, so student, time is over, so goodbye.